If you've ever dreamed of sharing your travel experiences, creating a travel blog can be a rewarding endeavor. It offers the opportunity to document your journeys, capture lifelong memories, and even inspire others to explore the wonders of the world. However, the journey of starting a travel blog involves more than simply sharing tales of adventure. Today, we will explore the essential steps to establish a successful travel blog. First and foremost, it is crucial to determine your niche. The travel blogosphere is vast and diverse, so carving out a specialized niche can set you apart from the multitude of existing blogs. Whether it's budget travel, luxury getaways, solo backpacking, or traveling with a family, defining your unique focus will help you find your audience and tailor your content accordingly. Once you've found your niche, it's time to choose a memorable and relevant name for your blog, a name that resonates with your audience and captures the essence of your brand. Ideally, it should be easy to remember and spell. With a name in mind, secure your domain name and select a reliable hosting platform. Platforms like WordPress or Blogger are popular among travel bloggers due to their user-friendly interfaces and customization options. Design is another vital aspect of your travel blog. A visually appealing and easy-to-navigate website will attract viewers and encourage them to stay longer. Choose a clean, responsive theme that showcases your photography and complements your written content. Investing time in creating a cohesive and attractive design will pay off in terms of reader engagement. Content remains king in the blogging world. Begin by crafting compelling posts that provide value to your readers. Share not only your personal travel anecdotes, but also offer practical tips, destination guides, and advice that caters to your target audience. Consistency is key. Establish a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and build anticipation for your upcoming adventures. Social media is an indispensable tool for promoting your travel blog. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter can be used to share captivating photos, drive traffic to your blog, and engage with your audience. Be sure to harness the power of hashtags to reach a broader audience and connect with fellow travelers and bloggers. Networking with other bloggers can also help you grow your blog by exchanging guest posts and collaborating on projects. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is another critical component of getting your blog noticed. Learn the basics of SEO to optimize your content for search engines. Use relevant keywords, write engaging meta descriptions, and incorporate alt text for your images. By making your content discoverable, you increase your chances of reaching a wider audience. Monetization is often a long-term goal for many travel bloggers. While it takes time to build a following, there are several avenues to explore. Once you've established a steady readership, consider affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling your own travel-related products. Remember, authenticity is key. Maintain trust with your audience by promoting products and services that genuinely align with your values and interests. In conclusion, starting a travel blog requires careful planning, creativity, and perseverance. By identifying your niche, creating valuable content, leveraging social media, and understanding the principles of SEO, you can embark on a fulfilling journey of sharing your travel stories with the world. So, grab your backpack, camera, and laptop and set forth on your blogging adventure.